I'm just probably gonna have to grind up. Got attack boost. Oh yeah. I'll go ahead and use that on Springtrap. Is that what he's called, Springtrap? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use it on Springtrap. Might as well. He's the only one in the party for one, and I just want to use it on him, kind of get him a little bit beefier, I guess. I don't know. There's no damage. What? Critical hit, 396. Dang. What did I... Got key shard. I don't want another key shard, man. Devour my hot bird ass, Freddy. Run the fight. Quick step. What is quick step? Actually, I'm gonna look at his skills. Demolition, weak combo, takes a defensive stance, increases defense and lasts 5 turns. Speeds up, strikes with his whip, might paralyze, anti-aegis, lowers the enemy's defense, lasts 5 turns, and anti-enema. Anima lowers the enemy's speed. This dude is like an all-around powerhouse slash, what the fuck would you call him? A support character, I guess? So he's kind of like both. He can be support if he needs it to be, lower all the enemies, you know, stats and whatnot. 510 experience. I'm gonna go buy some more of those really quick, too.
Inhale my
dung enragement child. I love that so much. Eating pizzas, what? Let's go ahead and do that. Inhale my dung enragement child. Before I continue, I'm gonna save like a smart person. Medium pizza, what does it say? Arcade. Enjoy video classics from the ripe year of 1990 something or another. It's an arcade. Chica's Oven Party. You wanna play it?
Yes,
Yeah.
let's do.
Fuck yeah, let's do it.
Wait.
Wait.
Fuck.
Fuck.
It needs quarters. I have tokens. God damn it.
And I'm gonna die. Damn. Ugh. Started to escape. It's an arcade game, but it's out of order. Out of order. Out of order. I'm gonna go ahead and save on a second file here. Just in case that happens right there. Phantom hat. Damn, man. I'm gonna have to run from... Oh. Game over. Get good. Shut up, Skull Cranky. Did I just flood the second one? Yeah, I did. Well, I actually believe that... Ah, good. You go up here. Center, but it's out of order. I want some quarters, though, man. Give me some quarters, man. Oh, my shit. I'm dead. Yeah, fuck. Huh? I'll do it in a minute. Okay, so... Oh. Keep forgetting. I was about to say don't say surprise, man. I gotta go back. Okay, so... I think I'm gonna stop here. Actually, what I do is I'll go for 20 minutes. Just in case. Because I actually don't remember the whole... You know, upload bullcrap for YouTube when you're first starting out. I don't remember it. So I'll go for another 6 minutes. I think the best thing for me to do right now is grind, because I don't know anything about this game, like I said. Or maybe I can get like an ultimate weapon or something from these things. I don't know how this game works. What I should do though Does this like... I'm gonna keep clicking on that, whatchamacallit, Chica. I'm gonna keep clicking on Chica. See what happens. If anything good happens. Backup Bash. So Springtrap like a combined character?
Devour my hot bird ass ready.
Let's see if this does anything.
Devour my hot bird ass ready.
Okay. Nope, did not want to go down in here. Okay, so where does this way go? Does it go back to the top? Really? What? Well, pretty much I'm just gonna have to grind. That's all it really is. Pizza sauce! Yay! I want some pizza. Actually, I have some pizza.
I have a debilitate. I cannot.
Okay, you cannot exit. Even though you can. Look at that little boy. Is that a blue boy in the back or is that Freddy? On the little poster in the back. I don't even know him. Screamed in the enemy's face, so that's what it said. Oh, it might just be like the second attack, like if you kill an enemy with the first attack, it still says like you're attacking, but it doesn't do anything. That might be what it is, actually. Makes sense to me. Okay, scream in enemy's face, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. We'll see right here. So we died, and it said scream in the face again, so I attacked nothing, okay. Dang, that's power 3. I can't even handle power 2. Alright, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna have to do off screen, I guess. Is just grind up tokens or something. Actually, you know what? No. Shit. Whatever. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go up. I see something over here. What is this?
Freddy, my fucking soul is gone.
Freddy, my fucking soul is gone.
Freddy, my
Seems like I can spam this. I'm gonna sit here and spam. See if it does anything. I don't know if it will or not.
Freddy, my fucking soul is
Doesn't
gone.
seem like it. Man. The hell is this?
Can a pirate masturbate in this fucking house?
No.
Get me some fucking privacy.
No.
Can a pirate
Get me
No.
some.
I hate you, damn it. So I'm in a power 4 area. Why am I here? I don't know. Anything over here? What? Oh, shit. Nope. I'm dead. Well, that ended pretty good, I guess. Get good. This pretty much means I'm gonna have to go back and grind all, you know. Why did that do that? So that's masturbation, man. This over here, I don't know. What? Oh, it was the tube blocking me. Party hat Y. Party hat, whatever that symbol is, I don't know. Because I'm dumb. Oh. I see. The fuck? It's Mangle.
Please buy me an esoteric sex toy.
No,
But I need it.
no,
But I need it.
Oh, come on.
But I need it.
no,
But I need it.
no,
But I need it.
no.
But I need it.
Fine Jesus fucking Christ, I'm sick of...
But I think that's going to be all for this little bitty session. I'm going to grind up a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. I hope you really do enjoy this series. And I hope you enjoy the channel. So I'll see y'all later.